Chat, what are we doing?
Don't spark me up, baby. No!
Why is it still long?
The guys let go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Oh my goodness. It'll just start revving it crazy. Oh, I stole $55 worth of gas from here.
How?
It was just going. And the guy came outside after.
I thought it was me talking, bro.
You were lazy to put on your fucking metal plate.
Oh, you got?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Oh, M250!
You've been straight man here. We're about to catch on a dude.
Oh my god. Just said that to say something. Loser.
Alright, you know what? You know what? You know what? Just cause Sunny farted, just watch.
Oh. Put you in. Hey, hey. We're about to get shot. I still have no full. I don't even have full power. This fucking takes us gonna spin. Why are you so slow? Wow. Are you on 93? 93 or 40? Higher.
You are in another BMW. How do you feel?
Slow.
Why is it still long? You.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Say it. Huh?
He said you need a new trans.
He said you need a new trans, a new engine, a new drivetrain.
He said there's nothing wrong with your car.
Yeah.
I thought it was me talking, bro.
You were lazy to put on your fucking metal plate.
Of the cop.
Is it
I
black? Is he
want
black
to see
or
if it's
white?
Wazitsky. He's aiming for all the Caldos. Him and Aiden, why is your windshield wipers two different sizes?
King Smash Burger.
Burger.
Leave me alone.
KB.
Oh, KB!
KB.
Take it off. Take it off. I have a better idea. I swear to God. All right. Oh my goodness.
Does his face go like this?
Oh, I should do my face when I reverse.
Why? What happened?
He's every time just reverse. Yes.
Look at the reflection of that car.
Do it that way.
Cop bait. Squeeze bait.
How does this
have to get pulled over by me.
I'm telling you.
Alright, Aiden. Don't stop, man.
Ossifer!
Did you really?
Aiden, go to mobile.
Hey,
all
we
the way
could take
down.
off your plane. You could just fly by him.
Bro, ain't no way this guy has a TikTok open up. Watch that 340. 340.
Tear it off.
Hey, now look at that red Escalade.
Let's make bro an edit.
Benzo, cut it off.
Can you put this up there, Sonny? It's getting cold.
No, put it only
there,
mobile. Only
There's no
mobile.
room.
Only mobile.
Move, it's
Only
fucking
mobile.
And a Mustang. Hey, can we get that Mustang in reality? Be straight.
There's no room. There's no room. Alright, what are we doing here?
Are you gonna fill up?
Would you have like an extra 30 miles after?
Yeah, I swear.
If we run out of gas in the middle of the road, I'm gonna piss laughing. We're gonna have a great day.
I know. That's gonna be the funny part.
Alright, what if it turns off
Hey,
right
to
here?
trust me, I always
Go right. Go right. There's right. Go right. Okay,
No,
then go all the way
I
down.
hate that one.
That's my favorite
You know
one.
what the whole
That's the most expensive one at the point. Why do you think tolls?
Hey, why is the car like turning off slowly?
Oh,
there's a
put my
nigga
leg
right
down.
there.
Stop
Whoa.
measuring.
No.
Truth is.
Hey, the keep floor. See, let's see if there's gas.
Oh, can I drive?
Yeah, only if I put the flame tune.
Alright,
Bro.
You're feeling 90.
Bro, why flame tune?
I'm on 93 right now.
Bro, why flame tune? I hate this. Knows I hate that tune. I don't even want to drive on that tune. Like, it's already like not that crazy fast to begin with. Why the fuck would you load a 380 horsepower tune? You can't even see them. What's the point? There you go.
So you can't even
You
what?
can't even see them. There's no side exit no more. You're not running the shit. Where?
My side exit is like a Corvette.
That shit actually was. No. On God, it actually was sick.
Look what you're doing, Aiden.
That's weird.
You're the bearded putty man.
I'm actually surprised there's
Look at the
right
2
says
series.
been in here for like 10 days. Resu Maraca.
Aiden was eating it yesterday.
I don't know. This nigga's eating like moist, dried up.
No, that shit was new.
Resu Maraca. Resu Maraca.
My mom makes the best kubahama.
It's Hamo.
Oh my god, I'm not stopping this life, bro.
And bro gets it together.
Oh, no way.
Kubahama. Kubahama.
Kubahama. Kubahama.
Kubaduba.
Fire exit number 1.
Turbo.
Yeah, sound seat off.
Show
No,
me.
it's this. Yeah, we can tell. He's room somehow.
S3 hot 4-banger.
Oh, Aiden's gonna run out of gas.
Make you run out again before we get there. That was a gun.
Hey, now look at that Escalade. How hard is that?
Hey, can you?
Red eye, Sonny. There's a red eye.
That shit.
Yeah, what's that? Huh?
Where? I love red eyes.
It had the pig nose hood.
I have a red eye. I have a red eye too.
You have a red eye.
Red eye key.
I don't care for the red eye. It's the same.
Cap.
On
Actually,
God,
technically-
say God, I won't be a red eye off a dig.
Thank God you will.
On God, I will.
Cap.
With my tires, on God, I will.
Nope.
How much on a bet? How much on a bet? $1,000 right now. $1,000 probably I'll be the red eye off a dig. To 100.
Oh, who Aiden?
200.
Until it runs out of gas.
Yeah, can we idle? Just start revving it crazy. Oh, I stole $55 worth of gas from here.
How?
It was just going. And the guy came outside after. As soon as I left.
For it?
I gave him a 20 and it went up to 55. It's not my fault.
Fill up the car all the way.
No, don't, because it's Coke was spilled. No, stop.
Coke. He's keeping a good eye on it.
I keep that Draco when I step. I still want that one hoodie. That one hoodie. I'm trying to think. You know that one hoodie? It is.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh,
I still want that one hoodie. What was that brand Sauna? That one. What the Hello, Shotty. That's great.
Damn, buddy on a bike is an RT with RT with E85. That's crazy.
Touch it, let go.
What?
Touch the gas and let go. It wasn't manual. I had to shift for you. You almost redlined it.